Are you trying to make cakes, cupcakes, and other baked goods? You don't understand the recipe box? We present to you a different method to learn baking and pastry without following a book recipe and without attending classes. Sweet Treat Institute has created a DVD with different lessons of baking. You can learn step-by-step easy baking and pastry techniques in the comfort of your kitchen. You'll be baking from this to this. Get it now for $24.99. With your purchase, receive discounts in our trainings and workshops. Don't let pass this opportunity. Remember, baking is a fun and rewarding pastime.